Did you know there are many large animals in this world? These are the 10 largest animals in the world according to their weight. Number 1. Blue whale. Blue whales can grow to more than 30 meters in length, about the same as the length of 3 school buses. The average weight of a blue whale is 90,000 to 136,000 kilograms, about the same as the weight of 30 elephants. Blue whales have very large hearts, weighing about 180 kilograms and the size of a car. Blue whales also have very large tongues, as heavy as several elephants. The blue whale is the noisiest animal on the planet, with calls reaching 188 decibels. Blue whales need almost 4,000 kilograms of krill a day to eat. Blue whales are mammals, which means they are warm-blooded, giving birth and nursing their young. Blue whales can live up to 80 years or more. Number 2. Whale sharks. Whale sharks are gentle giants that feed on plankton and small animals by filtering seawater with their large mouths. Whale sharks have distinctive patterns of white spots and stripes on their gray bodies, which are unique to each individual and can be used for identification. Whale sharks are not whales, but cartilaginous fish, meaning they have skeletons made of flexible cartilage instead of bones. Whale sharks can grow up to 14.5 meters long and weigh more than 18 tons, but they are slow-moving. Number 3. African elephants. The African elephant is a species of elephant that is only found on the African continent. They have some interesting unique facts such as African elephants consist of 2 types, namely the African savanna elephant Loxodonta africana and the African forest elephant Loxodonta cyclotis. These 2 types have genetic and size differences. The African elephant is the largest land mammal in the world, with a height of around 3-4 meters and a weight of up to 9 tons. They also have large, forward curving tusks which both males and females have. African elephants can eat up to 450 kilograms in a day, with the main food being grass, plants, fruit, and trees. However, they are only able to digest 40% of their food because their digestion is not very good. African elephants have very flexible and sensitive trunks, which can be used for various subtle functions, such as picking up coins, cracking peanuts, or drinking water. The tip of the African elephant's trunk has a protrusion shaped like a fold. African elephants have very large ears, which they use to regulate their body temperature. They can fan their ears to cool the blood flowing in the ear veins. African elephants' ears can also send and receive infrasonic sound waves, which can help them communicate over long distances. African elephants have a complex social structure, dominated by female elephants. They live in family groups consisting of female elephants and their young, led by the oldest and most experienced female elephant, called the matriarch. Male elephants usually live alone or join groups of other male. Number 4. Elephant seal. Elephant seals are large marine mammals that belong to the order Pinnipedia, which means feather or fin-footed. There are 2 species of elephant seals, the northern elephant seal Mirunga angustirostris and the southern elephant seal Mirunga leonina. Elephant seals are named for their huge size and their long, trunk-like noses that males use to make loud calls. Southern elephant seals are the largest pinnipeds in the world, weighing up to 5,000 kilograms 11,000 pounds and reaching lengths of 6 meters 20 feet. Elephant seals can dive deeper and longer than any other seal. They can reach depths of over 1,000 meters 3,300 feet and stay underwater for up to 2 hours. Elephant seals mainly eat squid, fish, and crustaceans. They can travel up to 100 kilometers 60 miles a day in search of food. Elephant seals are polygamous and form harems during the breeding season. Males fight each other for dominance and access to females. Elephant seals have a high-fat milk that helps their pups grow quickly. They also have the ability to adjust their body temperature to suit their environment. Number 5. White rhinoceros. Here are some facts about the white rhinoceros. The white rhinoceros is the largest species of rhinoceros and the second largest land animal on the planet, after the elephant. The white rhinoceros has a wide mouth used for grazing on grasses, which gives it the name square-lipped rhinoceros. The white rhinoceros has 2 horns made of keratin, the same substance as human hair and nails. The horn can grow up to 25 inches long. The white rhinoceros is the most social of all rhino species, and often forms groups of up to 14 individuals. The white rhinoceros consists of 2 subspecies, the southern white rhinoceros and the northern white rhinoceros. The latter is critically endangered, with only 2 females remaining in captivity. The white rhinoceros faces threats from poaching for its horn, which is used in traditional Asian medicine, and from habitat loss due to human expansion. Number 6. Hippopotamus. Hippos are mammals native to Africa that live in rivers and lakes. They are herbivorous animals, but are also very dangerous and deadly to humans. Here are some interesting facts about hippos. Hippos are not related to horses or pigs, but to whales and dolphins. Hippos cannot swim, but they can walk on the bottom of the water and hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Hippos have almost hairless skin and secrete an oily red substance that functions as a moisturizer, sunscreen, and protector from germs. Female hippos are pregnant for 8 months and give birth underwater. Hippopotamus calves can suckle underwater. Hippos are very vocal animals and make a variety of sounds, including clicks, snorts, and roars. Number 7. Basking shark. The basking shark Ceterinus maximus is the third largest fish in the world after the blue whale and whale shark, which can reach a length of 12 meters and weigh 19 tons. Basking sharks have large mouths and well-developed gills, which they use to filter plankton as their main food. Basking sharks also have the ability to maintain their body temperature warmer than the surrounding water, which is called regional endothermy. Basking sharks are not dangerous to humans, but are endangered due to hunting and accidental capture. Number 8. African crocodile. African crocodile is the name for the Nile crocodile, the largest crocodile on the African continent. Here are some interesting facts about African crocodiles. African crocodiles can reach a length of 6 meters and weigh 1,650 kilograms. African crocodiles can live in salt water because they have salt glands that can process salt. African crocodiles can live up to 100 years, longer than other crocodile species. African crocodiles are very protective of their nests and young, and can even gently roll eggs in their mouths. African crocodiles are carnivorous animals that can attack anything, including zebras, hippos, and humans. Number 9. Giraffe. Here are some facts I found from web search results. Giraffes have long, dark tongues, which function to prevent sunburn. Giraffes like to be in groups and can change friends every day. Female giraffes give birth while standing, so the baby giraffe falls approximately 1.8 meters when it is born. Giraffes also have horns made of cartilage, which are covered by skin and fur. Giraffes don't take long to sleep. Giraffes only sleep about 20 minutes a day. Giraffes have high blood pressure, about twice that of humans. The largest giraffe is the Maasai giraffe, which weighs up to 1,600 kilograms. Number 10. Polar bears. Here are some facts about polar bears. Polar bears have fur that appears white, but is actually transparent and hollow. These feathers help them absorb the sun's heat and camouflage themselves in the snow. Polar bears have black skin, which also helps them absorb heat. This black skin is visible on their nose, ears, and feet. Polar bears have a thick layer of fat under their skin, which can reach a thickness of 11 centimeters. This fat provides them with insulation and energy reserves. Polar bears are the only species of bear that is classified as a marine mammal because they spend most of their lives near the sea and hunt in it. Polar bears like to eat seals, especially beaked seals. They can smell seals from a distance of 30 kilometers. Polar bears can fast for months in summer, when the ice melts and seals are hard to find. They can survive by using the fat stored in their bodies. Polar bears can interbreed with grizzly bears, producing hybrids called growler bears or pizzly bears. Polar bears are animals that easily get hot because they have very good adaptations for living in cold environments. They often swim in water or lie down in the snow to cool their bodies. Polar bears are the world's largest land carnivores, weighing up to 8 kg and reaching 3 meters in length. Polar bears live in the Arctic regions, where they hunt seals and fish.